Please note, before adding ink, make sure that the software is properly installed and a dry run, running the printer without ink, has been completed. Otherwise, adding ink may cause the machine to malfunction. Due to logistics and shipping constraints, ink is usually not delivered with the printer. Ink is shipped separately in its own packaging box. The ink bottle for X1 contains 250 milliliters, and a total of 6 types of ink are required: K, black, C, cyan, Y, yellow, M, magenta, V, varnish, W, white. The purchased ink bottles have a capacity of 500 milliliters, so each can be added in 2 batches. The shelf life of unopened ink is 6 months, and once opened, it must be used within 3 months. Open the printhead cover plate to see the position of the ink reservoirs. First, remove all ink cartridges from the ink carriage, using a syringe to draw ink from the ink tubes and fill each cartridge in sequence. Then reinstall the cartridges into the ink carriage. Repeat the same procedure for all colors. Note that the cartridges should be arranged in the following order: K, black, C, cyan, M, magenta, W, white, Y, yellow, W, white. After placing all 6 ink cartridges back into the carriage, install the 6 varnish cartridges. Ensure that all cartridges are installed correctly and in the proper order. Also, draw about 5 milliliters of ink from the waste ink tube to ensure the ink path and printhead are fully filled. After filling the ink, you can send a test print task to check the status of the printhead. During printing tasks, when ink is low or the waste ink is full, a pop-up notification will appear on the screen.